Yes.
Professional lubricant for the professional Russian. Yes.
Erection.
I said Russian.
Oh.
Not a Russian.
Ooh. Silky smooth. Sensey thin.
Sensitive.
Love. Maxi overnight with wings.
Bubble bath. Ooh, smells like ick.
I hate bubble bath smelling.
What? Dear Lord. My bad.
Oh dear Lord. Beat. Beat.
You touched my bum.
I just bite me beat. I bite me beat.
I love the smell. Coconut? That's the smell of my hair.
I like vanilla.
Let's see what chocolate smells like.
Ew, heavenly
Ooh,
vanilla.
it actually smells like chocolate.
Ew.
I know, isn't that gross?
Who would want the vanilla kind? Vanilla. Vanilla always
Let's smell
smells so
strawberry.
good. Oh man.
Let me. Oh, yum.
Ah.
Oh.
Nummy nom nom.
Polydent for our dentures, hey, dude? Here?
I need that for my I need what kind? Where is it? Oh my god, I can't find it. They don't have it. Oh, retainer.
Oh, retainer, yes.
Yep. Ooh. This is my kind. I think. Yeah, it's the blue
Look.
kind.
You can like take the food stuff, like you know those scraping things.
What the fuck? It's exactly like a dentist.
Yes, that's what I was just gonna say. We can pretend to be dentists.
But that's retarded.
Why?
Why would we buy the $12 one
And we're not even gonna use
instead
them.
of the $6 one?
Or we can go to a
When they're
freaking
the
Dollarama.
exact same. Yeah, Dollarama works too.
Yep.
Okay.